Hey friends, if you wish to change the Discord icon on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It is very easy. First of all, make sure that Discord is already downloaded to your computer. Then right click on the Discord icon. Now you can find it here. If you don't, simply search for Discord and then you can right click on it here. Okay, and then select open file location and right click on this icon here. So since I already have it on the desktop, I will right click on the desktop version, right click and select show more options, select properties. Now go to the shortcut tab and then click on change icon. As you can see, the icon is a .ico file, so you can only use an ICO file in replacement. Now by default we'll only have one icon here. To change it, I'll click on browse and then I have an ICO file saved here and I'll click on open and then I'll click on OK and then I click on apply and then I'll click on OK, and the Discord icon has changed, as you can see. Now, one question is, where do we find these ICO files from? So go to any icon downloading website. Let's say this one, and let's say you want to change it to this icon, this gear-like symbol icon. So click on it, and by default, a PNG file will be downloaded, but we cannot change the icon in that PNG file format. So click on ISO, and then download the ISO file to your system. And after downloading the ISO file to your system, you will be able to change the icon. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.